my people, not be small something, my people. It don't happen again, it don't bust everywhere, don't scatter area. Hey, not be small matter, my people. As I talk to Nana, you get news when they fly all over. Not be small thing where they for say Agbado don't delete, he don't buy, he don't go meet in Papa God. Who never hear the audio conversation, you know, say that person, may you go find that. Not be small something, because many people don't send me that audio. Say Baba don't buy you, Baba don't go. He don't leg get 2 leg, he don't carry 2 leg go up. Not be small something. As I they talk to Nana, I know say most of una know this prophet when call himself Ikuru. No be small thing. He don't come out to come talk say all these rumors when anybody when they wish Mr. Agbado on when they wish Mr. Agbado may Mr. Agbado kpai, say na the person that you go first kpai, na the person that you go first delete. My people no be small thing. He say no be papa now you go first delete. Oh, say na when they wish am, say me go delete, no, I go first delete. No be small something. May you not come be say I too talk, I go live on a money for listening to this prophet where for vestalize for people when they wish Mr. Agbado on. No be small thing, no. He use mouth to take constellize them, my people. Make una regard.
Right from the time of John the Baptist, the kingdom of God suffered violence, and the violence taken it by force. Listen, I've been warning so many people who are carrying rumors, fake rumors that Tinubu died. You that carry the rumor, you are dead, because you blaspheme against the one that God created. It is God that have right to take a life of a man. How can you carry fake rumors that Asuanju is dead? Listen, anyone who plot or wishing Asuanju dead, you are dead. Because it's a project of God. No man can kill him. Asuanju will serve this nation and deliver this nation to the promised land. He is the new Nigeria, and nobody have the right. No power have the right. God has poured the oil upon his head. I remain Prophet Godwin Ikuru. God bless Nigeria. I mean, God bless everyone that shared this video. Thank you.
Share another watcher, my people. No be small thing. Prophet Ikuru boss come out. He said mehi kaba. He said make una stop am. He said stop it. One of the wish Mr. Agbado delete. Why una want make Agbado kpai? Why una hate Agbado? Why una hate Mr. Asiwaju? Everything where Asiwaju do, una not they like am. No be small thing. Now una they wish Mr. Asiwaju may he kpai, may he delete, una they fly rumor. He say make una stop am. Say papa no die at all. No be small thing. As I cross this one, I make like a dodomido. Una no say he get one group where still come out when they fertilize people. Say may they wish Mr. Agbado congratulations. May they wish him. Say he deserve him to be Nigeria president. No be small thing, my people. Wahala though. Nigeria said they not like Kamo. I don't understand. I don't understand. Now secret audio conversation. Now they carry come out. They come they talk say Mr. Agbado don't buy. I don't understand the way when Nigeria they go. For me, I don't wish Mr. Agbado may delete. And I understand. I don't wish her. But if when I hear this conversation, my people are not feel release them for year. They send down WhatsApp everywhere. They carry the rumor. Allege say Mr. Agbado don't buy you, say Mr. Tinubu don't buy. My people, as I hear that one, I will talk to lies. No be small thing. They say they rush and go France, so go do the thing. My people, no be small thing. Wahala be like bicycle for this country. I don't go understand though. They say he don't lagale, he don't buy you. Now this man of God can say no, he must come out, come debunk the news. Say na lie. Say never. Say Mr. Agbado no die, no buy. Say nothing they happen to Tinubu. My people, no be small thing. As I cross this one, I will chalk to lights. No be small matter. Now yeah, now one for leave on. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Ciao, everyone. Bye bye.